late again today. Get out of my class and go stand outside. Max, you're getting late for school. Get up quickly.
Oh no, I'm really late. The teacher will scold me again today.
Max, you're late again today. Get out of my class and go stand outside.
Hi Mom, I'm home.
Max, what is all this? You got 0 marks in the test. Can you explain this to me?
Mom, the test was really hard. I tried my best to study.
When will you stop making excuses and start studying?
Why do I always feel so sleepy whenever I open a book to study?
Max is only happy when he's playing games.
Mom, I'm home. I'm really hungry.
I'm bringing food for you, Max. You focus on your studies. Max, your food is ready.
I'm just taking a short break.
Max, what are you doing?
Mom, I only took a little break from studying.
Won't you change like this? I have to do something.
Mom, why did you do this? It was the only thing that made me happy. Mom really did wrong to me. Yes, by taking part in this, I can prove myself. This stage is amazing. I can easily win this game by taking advantage of this new contestant.
Is this Max?
Mom, this is my trophy. I won the match.
Oh, Max, please forgive me. I treated you so badly. Wow, the mother cat and kitten are going to travel in airplane. They both reached the airport happily.
Mommy, it's my first time to travel on a plane. I am so happy.
Yeah, sweetheart, it will be very fun.
Oh wow, the ice cream shop. I want to eat ice cream.
The kitten went to the ice cream shop, while the mother cat is buying tickets for traveling.
This ice cream flavor is the best in our shop. Try this, little one.
It's so yummy. I want to eat more.
The mother cat and kitten are now on their plane.
Yeah, Mommy. I have a window seat. It's so fun.
All passengers, please fasten your seatbelts. The plane is about to take off.
The kitten was happily seated and enjoying the outside view, but suddenly started feeling something bad in his stomach. Oh no, the kitten vomits on the plane. And the mother cat got in shock. The kitten couldn't control his vomit.
Hello, Help Center. There is an emergency. We have to land a plane as soon as possible.
The plane is taken off, and all the passengers run from the plane. The kitten is not feeling well, so he is taken to the hospital urgently.
There is a poison in your kitten's stomach due to some kind of dirty eating.
The doctors did everything to save the sick kitten. The mother cat remembers that the kitten eat ice cream in airport. The mother cat calls the police, and police arrive at the airport. The police arrested the evil black cat.